Hello and welcome to Unboxing with KJ. I'm KJ and I'm so happy that you're here visiting my channel today so that I have an opportunity to share with you just like other people have helped me out with information over the years. I love YouTube and sharing with others and I want to be able to give you that opportunity as well. So today we're going to be unboxing a Home Chef delivery meal. Now just a little bit about me. I have been ordering from Home Chef for quite some time. This is not something that's new to me. As you can check out my handy dandy binder here, it's quite full. I've been ordering from Home Chef for about 6 months. If you'd like to know a little bit more about me and why I've been ordering for so long and why I do like Home Chef, then go ahead and click on the video down below. I'll have that in the description and you can get to know me a little bit better and a little bit about why I even started my YouTube channel. But for today, we're going to be unboxing this Home Chef meal. Now, I enjoy these, as I said, and I do like YouTube. And as I've been on here, I saw a lot of videos about, people that really didn't like them. They didn't really want to order them because they seemed expensive and it didn't seem like it was enough food. So just like, you're probably wondering, I visited as well before I ordered the meal service and I looked around and I'm very, very frugal and I didn't want to order something from someplace that was too expensive. I mean, I definitely watch my coins when it comes to that. So with Home Chef, for me, the reason why I do have this big binder and I've been ordering it for so long is because I found that it worked for me. I have a lot of different food allergies and I absolutely have a major issue with the grocery store. I just don't like going. So for me, the service worked quite well and I've been continuing to use them for quite some time. So one of the things, I really didn't know exactly what was going to be in the box before I ordered it. Like I said, I looked at different companies and I decided on Home Chef because of the variety of the meals. And they just seemed a little bit simpler from some of the other companies. Again, if you want to hear more about why I selected them and my background to why I continue to use them, go ahead and click on that video below. So today we're just going to jump right into the unboxing. So this is the box, Home Chef. It does come through FedEx and that's one of the reasons why I like it. I don't have to be home to sign for it. The box comes and let's take a look at what's inside, okay? For this week, I ordered 4 meals and it came up to $79.60. Now, I do only order the 2-person meal choices. It's just me. I'm a single woman. Again, it works because it's 2 servings of food and at $9.99 a serving, it works for me. So I'm able to enjoy both a food for dinner and then I usually will take one for lunch. So let's jump right in. If you're watching and it's not just you and you're not a single person, you have a family, it would be double. And again, I've read many different reviews. Some people don't care for it because of that, but it just works for me as a single person. So let's get right into it, okay? So for this week, I'm ordered 4 meals and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through just jump right in and kind of read off of them as I pull them out so that you can see what it is. So this is the box it comes in and it is a lot of, stuff in here, a lot of foam. And I hear a lot of people talking about that. We do want to make sure we recycle, and it says for more information about recycling, you can visit the Home Chef website because we want to make sure we do that. You can cut the plastic liner open and dispose of the cotton fiber in the trash. And you want to do that because it is a lot of waste. The same thing with the box. So the first meal we have in here is ranch chicken quesadillas. Now, I don't like cooking. Let me clear that up. Let's just get that straight. I don't like cooking. But again, I pretty much ate everything out from fast food, from eating at restaurants, and it just didn't work for me. And it got to a point where I really needed a solution to cook meals. And so again, this is why it works for me. And I get a chance to sit at the computer, look on the Home Chef website, and order the interesting meals that come on. So the first one is ranch chicken quesadilla. So another thing I do when I go on the website is I pull up these handy dandy descriptors so that I can figure out exactly what I want to order. And this one, ranch chicken quesadilla, says it's by Chef Nigel Palmer, and ranch goes on everything nowadays, and we aren't too proud to say that's a part of modernity we find most appealing. We've adapted ourselves well to the ranch universe we live in, using it on pork, chicken, and these tasty quesadillas. Cheesy, ranchy goodness topped with the spicy corn salsa. We're not just on the ranch train, we're the conductor. Now, I like these. Again, I didn't write this. I know it kind of sounds like a commercial, but I think they're cute. It kind of helps me figure out what I want to order when I go on there. So I'm trying to figure out the meals. But this is ranch chicken quesadilla. And the Home Chef meals come in these little cute packages. And for me, I like them because it's just enough food. So this is the quesadilla. And then we have a little bit of powdered ranch seasoning sauce. We have, what is this? Let me go to the actual menu card as I'm trying to figure it out. I told you I'm not really a cooker. I have to cook. And so this works for me. So this would be the cilantro. Okay, this is cilantro. And then we have the corn kernels here in the box. And we're gonna have a little bit of sour cream here. And then we have a lime. And we have a very large jalapeno pepper. And then we have cheese. Now, as I shared with you, I have been ordering these for a while, and I enjoy them. And so this would be, just enough for me. It doesn't look like it's that much food, and you're going, okay, KJ, well, where's the meat? The meat is going to be at the bottom of this package. So when we continue to unbox, you'll see where I'll find the meat in the chicken to this. But this is basically the meal. This is the ranch chicken quesadillas. And if you like to be calorie conscious, I know we like to mind what we're eating and look at all those things. It's very important. It's going to be 858 calories, 858 calories. And the sodium is kind of high at 1707, but you can look right on the nutrition cards and it'll, tell you what the nutrition is. And then on the back, it tells you exactly how to prepare it. So it's very simple to look at, to monitor, and to see how you're doing. Okay. So that's the first one. Now, continue to dig through the package. I'll pull out the next one and unbox it. This is goat cheese crusted chicken. Ooh, okay, so let's see what's in this one. I'll just put these to the side. And the goat cheese crusted chicken, I like to read the little descriptors. Again, I didn't write these, but I think they're pretty cool. This is by goat cheese crusted chicken with carrot mash and crispy potatoes. So then let me look for the card here. There you go. Here's the card. Boom. And it says, now is your chance to take your chicken breast game to new heights when you top it with this crispy goat cheese crust. Start by stirring the panko goat cheese mixture together, pressing it onto a chicken breast and tossing it in the oven. Serve it next to carrot mash and crispy potatoes. Okay, so that's what you do with this one. Oh, so, and you have a meal that's a real stunner. Oh, I totally botched that, but again, I just like to read those because I think they're just fun to read. And so here it goes, the goat crusted chicken, goat cheese crusted chicken. It's 833 calories. So let's go ahead and see what this one looks like. What's in here? And it's self-explanatory. This is the potato. And these are the 2 carrots and that were in here, okay? For the meal, you even have your own butter, so you don't have to look for butter. Again, this is one of the reasons why this works for me, because everything is already in the bag. I don't have to be, running in the store and picking up things, or sometimes I don't have these extra products. Everything's here. And this is evaporated milk, and you have panko, and here is the actual goat cheese and garlic. Okay, so everything's right here in the package for you. And so I'm just thinking about which one of these I might make as I'm opening up. Goat cheese crusted chicken. Now, for me, I would never buy goat cheese from the grocery store. Okay, as I explained to you, and if you get a chance to watch my other video and learn a little bit more about me, picking up all these products, for me being a single person, it just doesn't work for me. I'm not going to use like a whole block of goat cheese. It just goes to waste. And so again, I like the little small portions. I think they're cute and they're useful and they work for me. Okay, so let's see what else is in this whole box over here. Let's see. So again, I said I ordered 4 meals and they were $79.60. Ooh, I was really excited about this one. This is chili lime salmon. This sounds really, really good. And like I shared with you, I do have a lot of allergies, and on the bag it'll tell you it contains milk or fish. And so if if you're cooking for yourself or for your loved one and they have a food allergy, it'll tell you right on the bag, what's in here, and when you're on the website and trying to pick it out. So let me find the card for this one. The chili lime salmon with roasted chayotes and mojo de ajo. So this is chili lime salmon, and it says, vibrant flavors are the name of the game for this meal, bringing some celebratory vibes to your midweek seafood meal. The flaky texture and familiar deliciousness of salmon make it perfect for cooking quickly in a hot pan and seasoning with a sweet, herbaceous mojito lime rub. Chayote squash, similar in flavor and texture to zucchini, is an ideal partner for the bold, healthy flavors of this dish. Vivacious vibes and bright bites all around. Ooh, sounds good. And that's by Chef Nigel Palmer. Again, I got these right from the Home Chef website. I'm not making up that fancy stuff myself. So let's unbox it, see what's in here. So this is the lime, okay? Now, I would have thought this was an apple. I would have never bought this. Like I told y'all, I do not cook, and so this works for me. What did I do here? These meals work for me because it's just been like really interesting, ordering interesting things. So this is the I guess this is the chayote. Yeah, this excites me. This excites me because I'm wondering, like, what is it gonna taste like? What is it gonna be? I think that's pretty cool. And so what else is in my box with the chili lime salmon? I have the garlic, and then I have the mojito lime seasoning. This seems really exciting. And so, I would have never bought like a whole container of this lime seasoning. Again, I know that might work for some people, but the reason I like these meal kits is because it's just a little bit. I get tired of eating the same thing over and over again, and it would just go to waste. So it's just the right amount of seasoning that I need. And if I didn't want to use the garlic or just a little bit, everything is right here that I need. So I'm really excited about this one. This one sounds like it's going to be really good. Which one should I eat first? What do you think? Tex-Mex stuffed turkey peppers with enchilada sauce and chihuahua cheese. And it is 620 calories. And this one says cook within 5 days, and that it's also easy. And it has a spice level too. Maybe I didn't mention that. So let's see what's actually in this box for the Tex-Mex turkey stuffed peppers. Okay, I have a little bit of cilantro again. I have this cheese. Now, I love cheese. And here are the peppers that I'll be using, and it's still in pretty good shape, but the way that they're looking, I probably should cook this one first or second. And then I have an onion. I have chile and cumin rub, which I know this is good because I've had this in meals before. And here's the red enchilada sauce, which extra and have more, but if you look at the picture, it looks like it's, more than fine. Looks like it's gonna be yummy. Okay, and so last but not comes in to keep it cold. And last but not least, at the bottom of the box is the meat. I didn't talk to you about the meat. So here's the meat at the bottom, right? You see? So when you open everything up, I go through, and you want to make sure all your meat's in here. And here is my chicken breast that I have for the meal we were making. And you see it still keeps pretty cold. Here is another chicken breast. I always do a little inventory. Here is the turkey meat. So 1, 2, 3. I had 4 meals. 1, 2, 3. And here's the salmon. It's all here. The customer service is pretty good. I only had in 6 months an issue one time where some stuff was kind of mixed up, and they gave me a credit for it, so it was no problem. So there you go. That's it. That's the unboxing for this week. If you like what you saw, that was helpful. If you're thinking about maybe this is an option for you for your meal solutions, I do have Home Chef has a program where if you want to subscribe, you can get $30 off your first meal. I'm going to go ahead and drop that information. I've never used it before. Prior to doing this, I didn't really tell any friends about it or anything where I would talk about it, but I thought this was a good opportunity to share the information so that someone else could know, and maybe it can help you out too. So what is your meal solution? What do you do? What do you usually do during the week? Do you cook? Did you want to try a subscription service? Excuse me. Subscription, such a funny word. But do you want to try one of these? If you like what you see, go ahead and click like, share, subscribe, so you can come back to my channel as I continue to make more videos unboxing these home subscription meals to help you out a little bit, and just talking about life in general, and unboxing all kind of things. Just what can we do to make our lives a little bit better and easier. So thank you for visiting my channel today. Remember, live, love, laugh, be happy. Sayonara.